Great morning, children! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sir Leap, your online teacher. But before we proceed to our lesson, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated for new learning videos. For today's video, I will discuss the four fundamental operations which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Here are the steps. First, arrange the given decimal in column. Next, align the decimals with the same place. Lastly, add or subtract the given as whole number, regroup if needed, and bring down the decimal point in the same column. Example, Marco earned 750 pesos from selling scrap materials. He paid 272 pesos and 75 centavos for his brother's project, and he gave 150 pesos to his mother. How much money was left for him? First, we will find his expenses. So we need to add 275 pesos and 75 centavos plus 150 pesos and arrange it in column with the correct alignment of decimals. Then add 5 plus 0 equals 5, 7 plus 0 equals 7, bring down the decimal point, 5 plus 0 equals 5, 7 plus 5 equals 12, carry 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. Thus, the expenses is 425 pesos and 75 centavos. Next, find out the money left to Marco. So, we need to subtract 750 pesos minus 425 pesos and 75 centavos. 0 minus 5 cannot be, so we need to regroup. 0 becomes 10, and 0 becomes 9. Another 0 becomes 9. 5 becomes 4. Then subtract. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Bring down the decimal point. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Thus, the money left to Marco is 324 pesos and 25 centavos. Remember, if you solve about money, don't forget to write the peso sign to your final answer. Another example, 32 and 564 thousands plus 567 and 231,000 plus 4 and 76 thousandths. First, we need to write in column with the correct alignment of decimal point. 1 plus 4 plus 6 equals 11, carry 1. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 equals 17. Carry 1, 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals 8. Then write decimal point. 7 plus 2 plus 4 equals 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Therefore, the sum is 703 and 871 thousandths. Another example, 200 minus 65 and 754 thousandths. Since 200 is a whole number, we need to add 0 before we subtract. So, 200.00 minus 65.754. So, we need to regroup. 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 9, another 0 becomes 9, then 0 becomes 9 again, 0 becomes 9, then 2 becomes 1. Then subtract. 10 minus 4 equals 6, 9 minus 5 equals 4, 9 minus 7 equals 2. Then write the decimal point. 9 minus 5 equals 4, 9 minus 6 equals 3. bring down 1. The difference is 134 and 246 thousandths. 12 and 25 hundredths minus 7 and 672 thousandths. So we need to arrange it in column. 12 and 250 thousandths minus 7 and 672 thousandths. We regroup. 0 becomes 10, 5 becomes 14, 2 becomes 11, 2 becomes 11, and 1 becomes 0. 10 minus 2 equals 8, 14 minus 7 equals 7, 11 minus 6 equals 5, and bring down decimal point. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Therefore, the difference is 4 and 578 thousandths. Multiplying decimals. To multiply decimals, follow the step in multiplying whole numbers. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. The number of decimal places in the factors must be the same in the product. Count the decimal places. Move from right to the left. Write zeros to the digits in the product if necessary. Example, 6 and 25 hundredths times 36. 6 times 5 equals 30, carry 3. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 3 equals 15. 6 times 6 equals 36, plus 1 equals 37. Next, 3 times 5 equals 15, carry 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. 3 times 6 equals 18. Then add 3,750 plus 1,870. 5. Bring down 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Plus 1 equals 15. Carry 1. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Plus 1 equals 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thus, the product, 22,500. Move 2 steps from right to left. Thus, the final answer is 225.00 or 225. 8 and 65 hundredths times 4 and 3 tenths. 3 times 5 equals 15, carry 1. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 1 equals 19. Carry 1. 3 times 8 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. 4 times 5 equals 20, carry 2. 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 2 equals 26, carry 2. 4 times 8 equals 32, plus 2 equals 34. Thus, the product is 37,195. Then move 3 times from right to left because there is 3 decimal places in the factors. Thus, the final answer is 37 and 195 thousandths. Multiply decimals by power of 10. Example, 756 and 85 hundredths times 10. Move decimal point to the right. The number of moves depends the number of 0. In this example, move 1 place to the right. Thus, the answer is 7,568 and 5 tenths. Another example, 756 and 85 hundredths times 100. Move 2 places to the right. Thus, the product is 756 and 85 hundredths. 756 and 85 hundredths times 1,000. Move 3 places to the right. The product is 756,850. Dividing decimals. To divide decimals, move the decimal point of the divisor to become whole number. Count the number of decimal places. move and do the same in the dividend. Make sure that the number of movements should be the same. Write 0 if needed. Example, 7 and 8600 divided by 6/10. The divisor is a decimal number. Move the decimal point to the right to make it whole number. Move the decimal point of the dividend to the right, the same number of movement of the decimal point of the divisor. Then proceed to the operation. Put the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Add 0 to the dividend if necessary to get the number of decimal places needed. Example, 7 and 8600 divided by 6/10. So 6/10 becomes 6. 7 and 8600 becomes 78 and 6/10. So 7 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Thus, the quotient is 13 and 1/10. Another example, 9 and 8400 divided by 4000. So, move 3 places to the right to make it whole number. And also 3 places in the dividend. So, 4000 becomes 4 and 9 and 8400 becomes 9840. 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 18 minus 16 equals 2. Bring down 4. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Thus, the quotient is 2,460. 4,575 10,000s divided by 1,500s. Move 2 places to the right, so 1,500s becomes 15. And 4,575 10,000s becomes 45 and 75 hundredths. So 45 divided by 15 equals 3. 3 times 15 equals 45. Bring down 7. 7 divided by 15 cannot be, so write 0 in the quotient. 0 times 15 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Bring down 5. So 75 divided by 15 equals 5. 5 times 15 equals 75. Thus, the quotient is 3 and 5 hundredths. Dividing decimals by the power of 10. In dividing decimals by the power of 10, move the decimal point to the left as the number of zeros in the powers of 10. 10 moves 1 step to left. 100 moves 2 steps to left. 1,000 move 3 steps to left. Add 0 if needed to complete the decimal places. Example, 25 and 65 hundredths divided by 10, 100, and 1,000. 25 and 65 hundredths divided by 10 equals, move 1 to the left. The answer is 2 and 565 thousandths. 25 and 65 hundredths divided by 100. Move 2 to the left. The quotient is 2,565 10,000ths. Next, 25 and 65 hundredths divided by 1,000. Move 3 to the left, thus the quotient is 0.02565 or 2,565 hundred thousandths. Next, try to answer the following given. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated for our new learning videos. Bye. Thank you.